Hello students, today we are going to discuss regarding Harappa. Last period we have discussed Mohenjo-daro. Now we are talking about Harappa. So in 1921, under the leadership of Sir John Marshall and Colonel Mackay, Dayaram Sahani discovered very ancient remain of Indian civilization from Montgomery in Punjab district. So this is a very ancient civilization, means our Indian civilization is also known as a Harappan civilization, because the remains found from the Harappa is very old even than Mohenjo-daro. The remains of Indus Valley civilization, they were found from Rapar in Himalayan region, Amalgirpur at Meerut in Uttar Pradesh, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Lothal at Dholka in Gujarat, Bilaspur, Sikharpur in Kutch, Dholavira, Rangpur near Limri in Saurashtra, Srinathgarh near Gondal, Kutsai near Morbi and Somnath. So these are all the places from where we have found the ancient remains. Like well-known one is we have learned the clay work. So in clay work we have seen the baked clay and unbaked clay. So it was found from the Kalibangan in Rajasthan. So something ancient remains are found from these all places. If a question of Harappa is being asked, so you have to mention these names. Harappan civilization is also known as the Indus Valley civilization. See, the region of Sapta Sindhu, where the 7 rivers flow, it is a region of our Indian culture. The culture which developed here, it is also known as the Indus Valley civilization. It remains were first found from Harappa. That's why it is known as Harappan civilization. Copper and stone weapons and many other things were also found from there. That's why it is also known as a Copper Stone Age. See the different name: Harappan civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Copper Stone Age. So even the town planning of Harappa is very unique. Next, Dholavira. So most prominently the question on Dholavira is always being asked. So this part you have to learn it. It is by heart it. Okay. A huge and systematic ancient town contemporary to Harappan civilization. This contemporary word is used because we cannot say that Harappa has found first and then the Dholavira. It is not like this. Contemporary means at the same time. When there was a development in Harappa, at the same time there is a development in Dholavira. So where is Dholavira located? It is 2 km from Dholavira village at Kadirbet in vast desert of Bachau Taluka, which is about 140 km from Puch. So this thing you have to know, that Dholavira ancient remain, it is found from Dholavira village, which is 2 km away, and it is at Kadirbet, in which taluka? It's Bachau Taluka, which is 140 km away from Bhuj. Now, Archaeological Department of Gujarat, they have surveyed this, and after surveying in 1990, this Dholavira excavation is done under the guidance of Ravindra Singh Bist. This name is important. So, under whose guidance the Dholavira excavation took place? So, it took place under the guidance of Ravindra Singh Bist. Now, what is speciality here? After seeing the remains of Dholavira and places, the main wall of the town, it is painted with white color. So this is a specialty. The walls of the Dholavira are painted with white color. Even fortified wall is found, which is encircling the whole town, and this wall is made up of clay, stone, this wall is made up of clay, stone and bricks. The potable water was available here during that time. So it is said that the purification, there was a potable water as well as proper system of water purification was set up there here, which is not made available even in modern age. So from Dholavira we can say the white walls, fortified walls, the wall is made up of a clay stone brick and water purification system and potable water. Next, Lothal. Next one is a Lothal. Now this is a Lothal. It is there in your textbook. So come on, we will see in detail. Lothal is situated in Dholka Taluka of Ahmedabad district. Dholka is a place, it is between two rivers. It is a place between two rivers. Which are the two rivers? Bhogao and Sabarmati. And it is 18 km away from Bay of Khambat, where the three layers of human habitats were found. Means from Khambat, if we view Lothal, we can see three layers of human habitats. Three steps means from far away how the mountain looks like that, only from very far away. Here we can see that there were three layers of human habitat. Even a huge dockyard was also constructed, so to facilitate ships in the time of the high tides at the lower eastern part of the town. So here, due to the huge dockyard was also found where the ship used to be tied during the high tides. Such dockyard and storage shops show that the proof for export and import, because if ships were not there, then the goods were not exported. So because of a huge dockyard and storage shops, one can say that even import and exports were taking place over there. And if import export takes place, means definitely they were earning good amount of money, and because of which we can say that Lothal was a rich and prosperous part of India. So this is a great pride for Gujarat. Not only for Gujarat, it is for also India.